Hello dear students, how are you all? So welcome to our channel once again. So today we will see the properties of materials which are very important. In the properties we will see basically structure. So others are not very important from your examination point of view. Be it competitive examinations or your academic examinations, just have a rough idea, but we will discuss mostly structure today. So if you see what are the basic structures we have seen, basically we have seen four important crystal structures. What are they? FCC, that is face centered cubic, BCC, body centered cubic, HCP, hexagonal close packed, and also SC, simple cubic. In addition to this, you find some new structures in these. We will have the complete idea of those structures now. Okay, so now let us come one by one. So first of all, you find some two or three new structures, that is rhombohedral. So basically, let us first of all study about the new structures. Rhombohedral, that is antimony and bismuth have the crystal structure of rhombohedral. Next, platinum, this you find something new, last one, that is your last one. Let us see this. And this one, second and third, that is rhombohedral, and last one platinum. Platinum is CCP, circular close packed system. So these are the new things. And one more thing that is new here is the tin, whose chemical symbol is SN. So this has the structure of body centered tetragonal. So let us mark that also. So new things are here: antimony, bismuth, rhombohedral, tin, body centered tetragonal, and platinum, circular close packed system. Okay. So excluding this, we will discuss our natural normal crystal structures. Number one, SC. So you have manganese has the SC structure, simple cubic structure. So let us come to next, FCC, that is face centered cubic. Face centered cubic structure is held by aluminium. So next comes your copper, gold, then comes your lead, anything else, then nickel, then your silver, then you are finally, yes, these are the structures which have FCC type, that is face centered cubic type. Next comes our your next one is BCC, body centered cubic. Let us check them. What are the body centered structures? Metals. So chromium has body centered structure. Then comes your what else? Comes next, molybdenum. This has again BCC structure, and then finally tungsten has also BCC structure. So let us mark that tungsten also, or tungsten. So tungsten also has body center structure, and molybdenum I think we have marked. If not marked, let us mark it. Molybdenum also, yes, a BCC structure. So next comes FCC we have completed, BCC we have completed. Then comes your HCP, that is hexagonal close packed system. Hexagonal close packed system is found in cadmium. Number one, cadmium. Number two, magnesium, which is a very famous metal which has the HCP structure, magnesium and cadmium. And then comes your zinc also has HCP structure, and your cobalt also has HCP structure. Okay. And finally tantalum also has HCP structure, and titanium also has HCP structure. So yes, I think we have completed all the crystal structures of various metals. So please try to kindly remember them. So just make an analysis, and first of all differentiate, separate out which are having some different structure. Rhombohedral, that is antimony, bismuth, then your circular close packed platinum, and then your body centered tetragonal, that is your tin. So excluding this, you have got all other metals which are having normal structures, FCC, BCC and HCP. I hope you have followed my lecture. If you have followed my lecture and video nicely, so please, if you like my video, please like, comment, share and also subscribe. Share among your friends through all social media platforms. Okay boys, so let us meet in a next video immediately, shortly, and in that video we are going to see what are the effects of alloying elements in improving the mechanical properties. So some important alloying elements are there, so they will induce some mechanical properties in the metals. So what are they? Let us see in the next lecture. So after that we will discuss the objective questions, and with that we will complete the engineering materials completely subject. Okay, so if you have, all of you please recommend to your friends. We have approximately have given 10 to 15 videos on your engineering materials. So you will get entire idea of engineering materials and the content in that. So various chapters we have covered. So I have given a playlist also. In that also you can find. So that will be useful for all your examinations. In the engineering material subject, we have discussed through various videos material properties and testing, crystal structure and defects, phase diagram, heat treatment process steels, and also steels and cast irons. Okay, once again wish you all the best.